Yes.
See, these two statements are similar. Tick include UVM macros
Okay.
dot SVH import UVM underscore package colon star class test. Here we are writing test class. Okay, that is a component.
Okay.
Tick UVM component utils here class name we need to pass as an argument. Class name is test. Okay, after that we are creating a
Okay.
constructor. In that constructor, because it is a component, it have uh, two arguments, comma. Okay, argument one is
Okay.
string path test. String path test. UVM component parent equal to null. Second path is same everywhere. UVM component parent equal to null. That will direct to the root top node of the UVM. Path comma parent. Super dot new argument path comma the path comma parent. See equal to before. Before equal to values we will pass here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. After that, build phase. Function void build phase. UVM phase. Super dot build phase. Here we are simply briefing about the build phase. This is not complete one. One method we are writing. Function void. Void means it doesn't return any value. Build phase. Build phase. UVM phase. Super dot build phase. Why we are using super keyword? This build phase parent class it should connect. Okay. QVM info. This is
Okay.
like a dollar display. Test to build phase executed. It is telling like it is giving user information stating that build phase is executed. Its verbose is UVM none. Okay.
Okay.
Zero. Its value zero. You told already. Function void connect phase. This is connect phase. I told you there are several phases. Build phase, connect phase, run phase, uh, end of elaboration phase, all those phases. Okay. In this connect phase, what we will do is see UVM phase. Here also UVM phase. For in each and every phase, UVM underscore phase, comma, not space, phase. Everywhere we need to give the same argument. Okay. Super dot connect
Okay.
phase, connect phase. UVM tick info test connect phase executed. UVM none. This is also display function only, end function. Function void
Mm-hmm.
end of elaboration phase, UVM phase. Super dot end of elaboration phase. Okay. UVM info
Okay.
test end of elaboration phase executed. UVM none end. This is how this simple it is.
Mm-hmm.
Now function void start of simulation phase. UVM phase. Again see. Same thing. UVM underscore phase. Super dot start of simulation. Same this name we need to repeat here. Start of simulation phase, same phase as an argument. Tick UVM info. Test start simulation phase executed. UVM none. Okay. That task task run phase. Run phase where we are putting run phase. Okay, run phase, UVM phase, tick UVM info, test, run phase, UVM none, end phase. Okay, now function, function void. These are the cleanup phases. Okay, function void, which means which it doesn't return any value. Uh, extract phase, UVM phase, same. Super dot extract phase phase. UVM UVM input test. The same thing only repeating, right? Only phase names are changing. End function. Function check phase. UVM phase phase. Super dot check phase phase. UTQM input test check phase UM none. Actually, here logic will come. Here we are thinking, we are evaluating that the phases are entering the simulation is entering into the phases or not, that we are checking. Actually, here display won't come. Here some logic will come, that we will see later. Function void report phase, UVM phase phase, super dot report phase phase, EQVM info test report phase UVM none. Function void final phase, UVM phase phase, super dot final phase phase, EQVM info test final phase UVM none. Okay, here all phases are completed. 20 pages are there, but we have to run only these things. Initial begin in module only, because module is the only static component which can be simulated directly. Dynamic components cannot simulated directly. Those can be used. Okay. Initial begin end run underscore test argument we are giving as test. So its test is there now. What is its test? First we gave test class, right? That we are running. So all these functions will run. This test we are running. So all this will run. Okay, we will see first. All the pages names will come or not. They are coming means if we write logic also will execute. That is the thing. Okay. Okay. Success. Compilation success with zero errors. See here. First one is build phase, connect phase, end of elaboration phase, start of simulation phase, run phase, extract phase, check phase, report phase, final phase. All the phases it is entering. Okay. Hello. Hello. Nehaji.
Hello, hello.
See, it is entering into each and every phase. Not even single phase it is missed.
Yes.
So it can run like that. Okay. Empty. Here these two lines are same. Tick include UVM underscore macros.svh, import UVM package UVM underscore package colon star, and this is class driver extends UVM driver. Okay. Tick UVM component details, because it's a component, two arguments will come. Driver, we are passing the class name as an argument. Function new, string path test, UVM component parent null. This is same everywhere. This is changing sometimes. You have to remember this only. Okay. Now equal to before values we need to put it in super dot new path comma parent before equal to path before equal to super wide connect phase UVM phase super connect phase same this thing already we have done super connect phase here monitor also we are writing okay tqm utils monitor for this constructor we are writing constructor for this after that function connect phase we are writing connect phase environment phase in environment what we will do we will create an instance of driver and monitor okay driver d monitor m function new we will create a memory for that function new string path environment uvm component null path comma parent after that function void build phase we are creating super dot build phase driver monitor we are creating a constructor for driver and monitor same driver colon type id colon create d this monitor type id create m this function void connect phase uvm run phase super dot connect phase uvm tqvm info environment info and connect this is connect phase you know already connect phase how to create uvm test now uvm test same in uvm environment we need to instantiate after that we need to create a constructor here also see for a build function we are creating build function for environment also and we are connecting this phase okay actually what happens means with the tlm ports transaction level modeling ports we will connect here but it is not connecting just we are displaying a function okay module tb initial begin run test this test always we will run test only in test everything will come test is the top level node of abstraction layer okay see driver environment monitor test these are running at one time evm info 6 see evm warning error fatal see here these two lines are same class extends evm component we are creating manually one component that also that comes from evm component evm take evm dot h evm utils component this evomp we will pass here as an argument function new string path equal to comp uvm component name parent equal to null super dot new equal to path comma parent task reset phase UVM phase rise objection. See, for synchronization, we will raise the objection as well as the drop the objection. Okay, based on the situation. Here, for synchronization, we are raising the objection. Okay, phase rise the objection. This UVM info, comp reset standard UVM none. UVM info, comp reset completed UVM none. Phase drop objection. This. Okay. After that module test comp. We are writing one small code. Let us see how it will work. Reset phase should started. Okay, at right time. Severity test driver. See, driver environment monitor test. It is going step by step. First driver, after that environment monitor. Finally, it has to run dollar finish called. It has to display this function. No? This function has to be displayed. This should display. Okay, I'll come back once again. See, these two lines are same. Component, same thing. Component we are creating for reset phase as well as main phase. These two should display reset completed, reset started, reset completed, main phase started, main phase ended. This is the same thing. They are copy paste with the different names. So we'll see this one. Why it is not displaying? Here displaying C. Reset started, reset completed. Main phase started, main phase ended. Okay. Now it is displaying. Understood? Hello.
Hello.
Understood?
Yes.
Mm. This is test class. This is driver, EVM driver. EVM driver component details. It is called restore factory settings. Okay. We are we are passing an argument as class name, function new string path. See this constructor created. You know this constructor how we'll create. Okay. Task reset phase, EVM phase raise objection. This EVM info DRV driver reset started, driver reset ended. Main phase driver main phase started, driver main phase ended. This is a previous example only. Monitor monitor eh, monitor actions monitor. In this monitor also reset phase is there. Monitor reset phase started, monitor reset phase ended. Task main phase, monitor main phase started, monitor main phase ended. Okay. Class environment extends EVM environment. EVM component details NV driver D monitor M uh, function super dot string path env EVM component parent null super dot new path equal to parent function function void build phase. Okay. D means driver. M see here handles driver D handle, monitor M handle. We are creating actually we are creating here constructor, but not with new. Create with the create keyword. Create keyword has some special features compared to new. That's why we will go for better if we create with the create. It have more stability and all. After that, EVM component utils test. We are creating a test constructor. After that, build phase. We are writing a build phase. We are running a test. We always run the test class. That is the topmost class. Success. Monitor reset. Driver was reset. Driver reset ended. Monitor reset ended. Monitor main phase started. Driver main phase started. Driver main. See, these are all are executing at 0 time. So whenever whichever comes to controller first, that will come here. So monitor first came. Next to end class, driver first came. After that again monitor main phase first came. After that again driver came. Understood? Hello.
Hello.
Understood?
Yes.
And driver is the one which will force the signals to go into the DUT through interface. Monitor is the one which will get the pin level information from the signals from DUT through interface. Okay.
Okay.
Here we are creating a component. Here reset phase. Okay. In reset phase, reset started, reset started, reset completed. In this task main phase, main phase started, main phase ended. Again, function. This is to create. This is to create the constructor. Uh, this we have seen. We will see once those value will display or not. Here reset started, reset completed, main started. Main is not ended. Monitor main. Where is the for? Main phase also should end, right? Why? Oh, did you get the answer? Neha,
Yes.
did you get the answer? Why main phase ended is not displaying here?
No, no, no. I didn't get the answer.
See the code.
Correct.
100 nanosecond.
100 nanosecond. Yes.
Here we will put it.
Time out.
Yeah. Timeout will increase 10 nanosecond. We will run now.
Yes.
Main phase started. Still, it is not. Why it is not coming? I don't know. I thought maybe because of the time. It's going to end in 10 minutes. Rejoin again, okay?
Okay.
Here, creating a component, UVM component, and its constructor, this one. Here, reset phase, creating reset phase, reset started, reset completed. This is main phase. Okay, UVM phase. In this, main phase started, main phase ended. Again, we are creating a build phase. Okay. After that, we are displaying that. Let's see what it will come. Reset started, reset ended. Main phase started, main phase ended. Post main phase started. See, each and every phase is covering. So in this, we don't write displays actually. We write code, piece of code that is useful for understanding the behavior of the DUT. From that, we will get the DUT data. So we are checking whether the simulation is going into that or not. Okay, into that phase it is going. If it is going into that phase, then it will display its display, right? Likewise, basic things we are checking. Driver creation, it's construction creation also, reset phase, main phase, monitor, monitor, constructor creation, reset phase in monitor, main phase in monitor, post main phase in monitor. Post main phase look like PQVM, monitor post main phase, UVM non verbose class environment extends, UVM, ENV, UVM, ENV, environment. We are instantiating a environment. So in that environment, see, driver D, monitor M, function new, string path N, UVM component parent null, super dot new, path comma parent, end function. Function void build phase, UVM phase, super dot build phase, D equal to driver, type ID, create D this, M monitor, type ID, create M this. Class test extends UVM test, PQVM component details test. Here environment E, function new string path test, UVM component, okay, parent null, super dot new, path with these values. After that, function creation, here creating a what are constructor here in a build phase constructor. End of elaboration. This is end of elaboration, we are running a test, run test. See here, reset started, reset, monitor, reset started, started, driver reset ended, monitor reset ended, monitor main phase started, driver main phase ended, driver main phase ended, monitor main phase ended, monitor post main phase started, driver post main phase started. See, it is going into each and every phase. Class producer extends UVM component, PQM component. This is data 12. Okay, into data 12, which we are giving in producer. Producer is a UVM component. Component means two arguments will come that you have sent. Send equal to new send this. This is we are sending to where. Okay, class consumer extends. There is a there is a producer and consumer. From the producer generates the data always. Consumer will consume the data. Okay. UMT block utils consumer. UVM blocking put export dot hash int. This int hash int receive. This we will receive. Function new input string path arguments consumer UVM component dot parent null. Environment. In environment, what will be there? One is producer P, consumer C. See its construction, its memory creation is completed, and connect phase. Super dot connect phase. Okay. P send dot connect equal to C dot receive. It is connecting producer to consumer. It is giving a connection. Observe how beautiful it is giving. P dot send dot connect brackets C dot receive. Those two are connected now. So the value is which is produced in producer will reflect in consumer. Task test actions environment instantiated here created a constructor here created a build phase created. Okay, top test case we are running. So that 12 we should get in consumer. From producer to the consumer we should get.